Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. Here is your integral of the day. I actually just did this one with my Calc 2 class the other day. It was the first day class. We reviewed U-Substitution just to get them ready for the semester, since probably over the summer most of them didn't even look at their calculus books. And this one ended up being a little spicy, but they got it. So it's just going to involve U-Substitution, no other fancy integration technique. If you want to pause the video, give it a try. Otherwise, I'm going to jump right in. Notice here we have an x squared in the numerator and rad 1 minus x. There's a couple different choices you could make for what to let u equal that will still lead you to the correct solution. I think the cleanest way, though, after doing it several times, is what I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to let u equal just 1 minus x, okay? Previously, I've included the radical. That works out fine as well. But let's just let u equal 1 minus x, and then du would be negative dx, which is pretty good because I've got dx over here. So then negative du is dx. All right, great. So I know that dx I can replace with negative du, and then 1 minus x down here I'm going to replace with u. But what about this x squared in the numerator? I have to switch everything in my integral to be in terms of u. And the key to finishing this problem is right here, where we decided what to let u equal. So I'm going to rearrange now and solve for x in terms of u. This is a technique we have to do on occasion. So notice if I add x to both sides, I have x plus u equals 1, which means x equals 1 minus u. So that's what I'm going to substitute in for x into the integral. So let's hop to it. Now we have, in the numerator, instead of x squared, I'm going to write 1 minus u, quantity squared. In the denominator, instead of rad 1 minus x, I have rad u. And then instead of dx, I'm going to write negative du. But that negative, it should go out here, right? Why? You don't want this negative floating around in the middle of your integral. Ugh. No. Constants on the outside. Fab. Okay, are we in a better position than we were when we started the integral? Things don't look a whole lot different. Notice we had 1 minus x, so 2 terms, and then 1 term here. Now basically the situation has flipped, right? You see how we just have 1 term in the denominator under the rad and then the 2 terms here? But we're happy. It's always better just to have 1 term in the denominator like that under the rad, because what I can do is rewrite this as u to the 1/2, multiply all this out, and then I can write u to the 1/2 underneath each of the terms in the numerator separately, simplify, and integrate. And I'm on my merry little way. You can't do that when you have more than 1 term under the rad like that. Okay, so we're happy. It doesn't look much better, but we're in a much better position when it comes to the calculus. So here we go. Let's just clean up. 1 minus u quantity squared is going to be 1 minus 2u plus u squared. And then we have u to the 1/2 down there. And then you simplify term by term. When I was in class, I didn't rewrite everything. They were pretty with it, but I'll rewrite it for you guys just in case. So this would be 1 over u to the 1/2 minus 2u over u to the 1/2 plus u squared over u to the 1/2 du. Very nice. And then now we're just going to simplify each term. So remember, you subtract exponents. So this one's not hard. You're just going to bring up u to the 1/2. So now it's going to be u to the negative 1/2. And then minus, okay, over here, this is u to the 1st divided by u to the 1/2. So you subtract exponents. 1 minus 1/2, we're going to be left with 1/2. So minus 2u to the 1/2 plus, and then same thing here. 2 minus 1/2, that's 4/2 minus 1/2. We have 3/2. So u to the 3/2. Don't forget your du. And then now we're ready to anti-differentiate. So keep that negative out there, put like a bracket or parentheses. We add 1 to the exponent and then divide by the new exponent. So adding 1 to negative 1/2, we have positive 1/2 with a 2 in the front. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal, which is 2. minus 2, this is going to be u to the add 1, 3/2 times a 2/3 in the front, plus add 1 to 3/2, now we have u to the 5/2 with a 2/5 in the front. Close up the bracket. I had to emphasize this a few times because they're new at integrating. The integral sign and the differential go away once we take the antiderivative. And then if you have an indefinite integral, you have to put plus c in the next step, okay? Good, all that's left is to distribute this negative, and then while I do that, I'm actually gonna go back and also replace u with 1 minus x, so we can just finish up this problem in one fell swoop. Okay, so we've got -2, u was 1 minus x to the 1/2. Remember that negative's distributing, so now I'm gonna have plus 4/3, and then u is 1 minus x to the 3/2, minus, I'm still distributing that negative, 2/5, 1 minus x to the 5/2 plus c. And that is it. I know, not the most beautiful answer, but it's correct, so be proud of it. And that concludes the integral of the day. I hope everyone's having a great start to their fall semester. If you're not back at school yet, watch some videos right now from my channel. Get brushed up. Be the superstar in your class on the first day, ready to roll. And if you have any requests for videos or topics that you can't find on my channel yet, or that you would like to see extra examples on, leave me a comment down below, or you can also email me, mathtvwithprofessorv@gmail.com. If you want higher level videos like linear algebra, differential equations, that's for members only and on my Patreon and stuff. But anything like Calc 2 and below, that's not too difficult. So I can take requests just from general channel viewers. Okay, you can also join this channel if you want to be a member and have access to the linear algebra, differential equations videos playlists. They're not quite complete, but almost there, getting there. And you can also catch me on Instagram and TikTok at MathTV with Professor V. Take care, you guys. Oh, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, pretty please. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.